Hello, I'm Sarah and welcome back to Sewing Therapy. Today I'm sewing a McCall's M8087 and invite you to sew along with me. The M8087 is a dress pattern, but I want to introduce this pattern to you as a top pattern. It's a versatile top with two looks, a ruffle top or an off-shoulder ruffle top. McCall's rates this as an easy pattern, and it is indeed simple to make. And you will be happy to hear that I made the process even simpler. Only 1 to 1.5 yards of fabric is needed depending on your length preference. There are several ways to make this top uniquely yours, such as changing the length of the ruffle, adjusting the hem from a classic hem finish to a cropped elastic waist. Every change I've tried makes the top look so different. The possibilities for modifying this top are endless. Before cutting, I would like to highlight the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons. Each click raises awareness of this channel and community. I appreciate all your support. Let's get started! I'm so glad I was able to make these tops before the summer ended, and they will work well in the transition to fall with ruffles up instead of down. This top adds flair and style to any outfit, and I hope you enjoyed the sewing along with me. What did you think about the M8087? I would love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. And one more highlight of the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. 안녕!